This is my place of prayer. Many good feelings here. It just brings it all home. Today we're gonna make a moss bag and a cradle board. This part of the mountains here, this is where we used to come for our moss. And where we picked the moss already, we offered tobacco so that the medicine that we picked will help the baby grow up to be healthy, prosperous, gentle, kind, loving. All my children were in the moss bags. This is so awesome. This is what the mountain spirit has given us, the moss, so that we can have our babies lay on something soft, like a little mattress. And it helps them because moss is like a poultice. It pulls away all the negative energies from your body. My dad used to say, you only pick what you need. And it applies to all the medicines that we pick. We only pick what we need. This is Alberta moss, the sage, fungus. I got a bunch of cedar. We need all of these for preparing for the mother and preparing for the arrival of the new baby into this world. This is going to be part of the cradle board. This is going to be the canopy. My prayer for this moss, the blessings from our picking, the blessings of the mountain spirit, the blessings of our grandfathers, the trees, Mother Earth, the good wind, the good timber, and the good soil will be with the moss bags. She's just smiling. Big day for you. Habadijo, Chichima. Habadijo, Habadijo.
My grandpa used to sing that.
All our grandmothers.
What does
And
it
then,
mean?
oh, tiny one.
She'd say, Habadijo, yes, too.
Habadijo, Habadijo, Chichima. Habadijo, Chichima. Habadijo, Habadijo. Moss between the legs. I want to teach the young ones, the young mothers, the good way how to use moss. We wrap our baby and we put our baby in there with a clean cloth, and then we put them in the moss bag. You can see it. The moss bag is an extension of the womb where it's nice and warm, and our babies will be comfortable and safe in the moss bag